I've always had a fascination with taking things apart and how things have worked on the inside. I'm Caleb Lawrence and I run a small business called Devices for the Nations. So basically my whole life I've been tinkering with devices ever since I could turn a screwdriver, really. I guess I've just reverse engineered all of these things and figured out exactly how they work and how I can fix them and put them back together. My business really evolved from me starting repairing phones. So my friend, when I was in year 6, had a broken phone. So I said, I'll offer to fix it for free. And then I realised, hey, I can start a business doing this. So when I was 11 years old, I started my very first phone repair business called Techline. I did phone repairs and I did computer builds. It all started from there. Things in and hope for the best. I saw the issue of a lot of e-waste being destroyed and buried in landfills, and I was thinking that maybe I could actually repurpose it and send it overseas where it's needed the most. I talked to schools and businesses across the local area and ask for their e-waste and say it'll be repurposed. Usually schools and businesses have to pay for it to be taken away, but me taking it for free is actually a service to them. Now my business, Devices for the Nations, specialises in taking old devices that would have otherwise been scrapped for e-waste, refurbishing them and sending them overseas for mission to support churches, orphanages and any other organisations in third world countries which need some help. I've sent over 100 now to Ethiopia, Cambodia and Solomon Islands. So I guess I get the fulfilment and knowledge that my work has benefited people all across the world and that it's made a real impact onto many people's lives and it's changed their outlook for the better.